Finding good stocks is half well done. Do you have a stock watch list? How helpful is that? I have a watch list of 101 stocks. 101. I'm so confident about it that I just spend 10% of my trading time to research other stocks and spend 90% of my time in just identifying the entry and exit points. And I earned 34% returns in 2 months. Impressive, right? And the best part is, this is pure equity strategy. Very limited risk. In this video, I'll be sharing my strategy of identifying these kind of rockstar stocks through which you can capture more or less all the opportunities in the market.
25 दिन में पैसा डबल 25 दिन में पैसा डबल
For those who are new here, this is Rishi and I am an undergrad graduate and an NCFM certified professional. The method which I am going to discuss is a three-pronged strategy wherein you will be splitting your capital into three parts: 30, 30, 40. In the first one, you might have to spend a bit of money around 1 or 2k. However, the returns are assured. But the next two are free. You don't have to pay anything else. Let's go to the first one, small case. For those who aren't aware of small cases are the portfolios run by professionals who keep these portfolios updated regularly, and they ensure that these portfolios get good returns. So what kind of small cases should you be selecting? These small cases should at least give you a 40% return. Green Energy by Nivesh, Gulag Gas 6. These are few of the small cases that give you really good returns. However, the risk is on the higher side. One of my small cases which I have invested in late April has already given me around 35% return so far. Now let's go to the second one, which is free of cost. You don't have to invest anything there. That is, invest in Evergreen Stocks. What are Evergreen Stocks? These are stocks that has generated consistent returns throughout the years. Might be 3 years, 5 years, or this year. So how do you go about that? Make a list of all the stocks which you come across and see what their 3-year return is and the 1-year return is. Put a criteria of your desired return that you want. That could be 25% or 30% or 100%, that is up to you. Select that criteria, add that filter. Now keep track of all these stocks price movement. Generally, these kind of stocks will see a local minima and a local maxima. So when you see a local minima, buy them. When you see a local maxima, sell them. And there will be further detailed videos on this, how to identify this, but that is a topic for next week. So far I have told you about the two methods wherein you can see a returns of around 30-40% annually. However, I mentioned that I have generated a return of 35% in 2 months, right? And one of the major reasons for this is the third one, wherein you are investing 40% of your capital. That is trending stocks. Recently, we have come across an article saying that Indian Railways is going to spend 1 lakh crores on acquiring new trains, right? That was an article, and the implication was that IRFC, IRCTC, and all other companies which are related to the railways have seen a huge rally. So this is what I mean by trending stocks. Because of multiple news articles which we come across, there will be a momentum or a sentiment which is driving this stock to higher peaks. You need to identify these kind of stocks. You need to make sure you are aware of the market conditions and pick those trends or the news articles. Pick those new articles. Identify what are the industries and the companies which are going to get impacted by this and invest in them. That's how you can generate higher returns. So these were the three methods which I used to generate 35% returns in 2 months. And now is the time for the surprise which I have been talking about. All the stocks which I have been tracking so far in this last 2 months, I have made a list. And these are the stocks which are going to be rock stars of 2024. And you can follow the link in the description to get access to it. And that's it for today. Keep trading, keep watching. Like karo, subscribe bhi karo please.